Introducing the 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: passenger airbag, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.